Hello, Jenny Hall here for Trinity Stamps. Today I'd like to share a sneak peek from the upcoming Warm and Cozy holiday release available on October 23rd. Here is a stamp set called Let Your Light Shine, and it has a really cute gnome. I'm going to also be using a stencil set called Catching Some Rays. I'll just be using one of the stencils. In this stencil set, there are two stencils to use, which work great for layering. One of the stencils has double rays and the other has single rays. This stencil that I'm using is the single ray stencil. I'll be using a Trinity Blending Buddy brush because this brush works so well with its pointed tip to work down into those little stencil areas. The ink that I'm using today for my background is Bee Sting ink from Ink on 3 that is available in the Trinity Stamps shop. Off camera, I have already embossed with clear embossing ink over some black ink onto Bristol Smooth cardstock. I've also used the coordinating dies, and I'll be using Zig Clean Color Real Brush pens to do my coloring today. Because this is a sneak peek project, I'm not allowed to show you the stamp set. So there are other greetings in the stamp set that I think you'll really enjoy seeing. Be sure to check back on October 23rd to see the full product, and you are going to love it. Trinity Stamps has a wonderful line of gnome stamps that are so popular, and I am really enjoying all of the new gnomes from the holiday release. For this image, I'm going to go with the light theme with Let Your Light Shine and use that candle to kind of build the theme of my entire project. So I've colored the candle, and I love how these Zig brushes have such a very fine point. And then I've also used some of the yellow to bring the light from the candle onto the gnome's beard. I also brought the yellow onto the card base when I did this stenciling on the card base. The way that I like to use the Zig pens is to first lay down a darker shade right in one of the shadow or outline areas, and then use a lighter shade to blend it out. Very simple coloring. When placing the gnome on the card base, I made sure to put the lamp right in the middle of those sun rays stencils, and it looks like the lamp is shining. This is a very easy but a very fun Christmas card to create, or you could use it any time of the year, but I think I would like to use it for a Christmas card. I've topped it off with some little sequins that are made to look like snowflakes, and that's our project. Be sure to check back again tomorrow for another sneak peek. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.